Indigo string. Indigo string cheese. You can no longer say indigo string cheese. Okay, I can say indigo string cheese, but I'm the only one who could say indigo string. Indigo string cheese. Remember, it is illegal to say indigo string cheese in my channel. If you try saying indigo string cheese, I will literally, your message won't get through.
The number was 986,946.
Yep.
Our contestants are Exter Phillip.
Exter Phillip. Also, we need to make so if 2 people are playing, we skip all of this. So just five, 4. Oh, we need to add a +1. We need to add 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yup, we figured it out. Yippee! Yep, we figured it out. Yep, we figured it out. We figure. Yep, we figured it out. We figured it out. We figured out the problem. Anyways. You only want to do this if length of players is greater than 2. So we don't do the super eliminator if we only have 2 contestants. Yay, we've done it ish. Yep. Yeah, baby. Anyways, we're Dally. Okay, we're just gonna hide everything. When I receive a game start. Hide. And also delete this clone. We don't want anybody at all existing after we do this. And the start button, yeah. It can get out too. I accounted for that. That's so funny. That's funny, I guess. That's. By the way, can we connect? I never started the script. Nats. Yeah, we need to start the script. It's in here. So, yep, it's right there. Check that pie. And look Can you look? Not look. Don't look yet. It's still thinking. Wait, I probably need to edit again. Edit with idle. Edit with idle. Edit with idle. Get our. Wait, no, I updated it. Why isn't it? Oh, never mind, Mito. Yep, it immediately worked. And do the join test. And there we are. We have joined. I'm so glad that this is functioning. Look at him go. It's like... surface to actually in this our start screen, so it's very unlikely that he'll rotate direction. So I hate the start music. I hate. Dude, how do you perfectly avoid it? I was like, so risky. I gotta get more people in this lobby, man. I gotta test. I gotta, test. Oh. Look. It's that, but I can't be there. Right, we advertise it. We advertise it. Bounce.
Discord.
Where'd you get? Gave you 4. Other state. Dude, shut up. Changed it. I get it. It's just shapes and beats, right? Nothing else. What? I'm doing nothing for a while. I'm gonna start doing something called
The boys say wow, wow. Girls in the back say wow, wow. Into the party, call me Dandy Candy, cause I'm high, high. I'm so super, duper, duper. I'm the front going round.
这地方是。 It's about rice. It's about flour. You stay hungry. I devour. Put in the wok. Put on the fire. And feed the empire.
Facing improvement of machinery.
So what I'm gonna do is first is test if the actual game works. I just realized something. If not everybody responds, they could just stay in the game. Oh, I have to fix that. Hi. I will test. I'm having a good time, thank you. I'll test soon, but first I gotta like fix this bug because people who didn't respond sort of just didn't really just get to stay in the game. Just gotta figure out a way to fix that. It's like, let's say Philip doesn't respond, and we add players. Let's make some fake players. We got Philip, Egster, Johnny, and Flourish. Do that. Players. Well, it's like Jackbox, but it's like hosted over a stream and you play using the chat. Do you know what Jackbox is?
The number was
Yeah, it only deletes one. Well, Jackbox is a game where you open, where like only one person needs to own it, and everyone can use their phone as a controller. Basically, like doing a competition game, except like you play by responding in the chat. By the way, you're not allowed to say indigo string cheese in my chat. I don't know why you can't. I just set up the rule because it was a very necessary rule. It's the most necessary rule. I should probably turn on my mic. Yeah. So, what do we do when some people don't respond? Get people that respond, right? Well, so you. It's like everyone responds besides Philip. So we have this new equal that. So we set K to 0, right? And then everybody's named. However, there's someone here that we need to add. We need to add what?
Why is my internet so malfunctioning?
So our players. We can notice that there's a missing player. So, length. We can start by just doing length of players. So we only delete one, right? Use that. Because right now we only delete one of the respondents, but that means that Philip will just stay in without being deleted. So first we gotta delete everybody that didn't respond, right? So repeat length of.
the number was
Oops. Delete length of new. If actually length of players, and then we're gonna make a new variable L, right? So we set L. We do that. I promise I'm getting to the good part soon. So if item L of players, yeah. If new does not contain it, then we gotta delete that player, because that player kind of just didn't participate. Once that happens, then they won't be a player anymore. That's players. So we start off by creating all the players. Start by doing that. So 3 people respond. And everybody's there. But then Philip stays. What? Why? One. Philip doesn't. Oh. One of players. Philip. I don't remember. Player deco. Okay, that's probably why. Why am I doing like that? My other eye, it's the circle.
Alexa, set timer, 30 minutes.
Second timer, 30 minutes, starting now.
The other eye is my circle. Yeah. Circle. Okay, now it deletes you. If you didn't actually compete, then it deletes
The
the
number
other.
was 302,000.
Yeah, okay, so now you can't stay in the game by not responding. That was a problem before. Now it's not a problem. But this is a side script. We want to bring this right before we do that. Okay. Okay, now I can hide all these data scripts. Now do that. You can now join the game. You can join the game now by typing in !join. You should do that. Are you still here? Dude. Did you already? Oh, okay. You can also type in !deco to make you look different if you want to do that. Gotta turn on super low latency, but whatever. Do you want to do deco? Be nice if someone if you tested that. That's not a real deco. It's a range from 1 to 8. Although it did get through. I'm going to kill you. I'm just going to click the play button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then I forgot nothing's going to happen because there's only 2 players. So, I have an idea. What if we just... Okay.
19. 8.
Okay, let's do that again. Sorry. That's not the way you...
Very nice.
Not the way you do it. It's right there. If you have to do !join again. Please. 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 Thanks. That. Did you like your moderator time? Will it convince you to actually help me test this stupid thing? Please? Please? I'm going to go insane from your antics. Oh, it actually worked. Can you type an exclamation mark join? Please. Please type an exclamation mark join. Thank you. Thank you. Why isn't it working? It was just working. Okay, why? Did it? What? Okay, try again, because for some reason you just stopped letting people join. Maybe you'll let people join again. Okay, this is an interesting problem. This is a new problem too. It's like so we got a player list. No, we actually want this. Wait, is that not actually... What's... How do you... Don't see how you're doing it. Hold on, I have an idea. Oh, wait a minute. So, yeah. All right, contestants. There's way too many of you. So we're gonna need to play a super eliminator. So what I'm gonna need you to do is type in the chat !R followed by a random number from 1 to 1 million. The closest one will stay in the game, and the other people are gonna have to be so sad that they don't get to compete.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The number was 870,202. Our contestants are conflict.
What? Oh, did you win? You won. You got closer. Okay, but why did it delete me from the player list? That's not a very nice and fun thing. I didn't get eliminated. Huh? Oh. Hello. Greedy away. I'm trying to get this stupid thing to work. And like, now that I know the Super Eliminator is fully finished, I'm now going to be making the mini games. Yeah. What mini games do you think I should add? Yep, yeah. I'm gonna start off with Wordelli. So, Wordelli. It's gonna be a mini game, right? So when game start, we gonna switch set game state to I don't know, word deli. No, that's I don't want to do that actually. I'll be fine not adding that. So, now that we have, so the idea of word deli is that like you're given a theme, then you have to like do a singular word of that theme. So first, let's make. Oh, I got a ping. Lucas,
Yeah,
I'm a roguelike gamer, not an RPG gamer. Huh?
understood. I'm in a
Why do I have a friend?
No, church gaming right now, I guess.
What the heck? Where the heck is this guy?
Dress.
Is it just a glitch? Yeah, it's just a glitch.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
I forgot how to explain it. I'm asking people if they know anything about the weird, like, I don't know. It's just referred to the shelter as the shelter on the edge of town.
So hold on, royal viewer. I have to get more.
You're not an RPG gamer, but
Yeah, Lucas, the thing is, I'm waiting for somebody else to play it so I can watch it, because I don't feel like, I just don't want to play the entirety of Delver myself. I'd rather watch somebody else play it, honestly.
Alright, then go watch it on like Salty DK Dan and his streams. But actually, no, everyone's chapters 1 and 2 streams are going to be from several years ago.
Yeah.
Fabian, I bet you thought I was Connie.
Okay, we
No,
might.
not that
Love you,
voice.
Logan.
Today's game was wild.
Okay, so
Codes?
we start off with. We gotta make a grid for everyone, right? So gonna move all of these over. Hey, as I move these over, tell me which one's your favorite. So now that we have all of our contestants, I'm gonna put a white square behind each of them. Actually, that white square is too big. Well, maybe if I remember to turn on ultra low latency, it would be a lot better. And also I'm gonna have a lot more time for the contestants to respond. It's just that like I'll never have any like reaction based ones because those wouldn't work at all. Gotta actually shrink these are too giant. Let's repeat length of players. Length of players. It's gonna be 2. Switch costume to item. Ooh. Is this a good idea? Okay. Saying a word. Someone says a word. Okay, let's saying words. I love saying words. Duh.
Alexa, how much time is left on my timer?
2 timers.
It's like a word chain game, you know, like a game, earring, garage, epic, cat, if I did that, you'd get more points for using more words in the back chain. For example, like Someone could say pancake. And then you can do the wretched S. Oh, so you like don't know if you repeat it. You don't see the chain. Okay, so like cat, then you have to tar, but then you don't see cat. You just see tar. So you go rat, and then you see et. So you go talk. I think that's the word. Then goes cat, and then suddenly that's a repeat, and then they're eliminated. Right? Is that your vision? Is that your vision? Is that your vision? I also have to delete player deco. I have to delete all the player decoration because then your skin would change. You don't want your skin randomly changing. So change X by 96 divided by 2. 96 divided by there's some unnecessarily complicated crap here. Size 100 divided by size, so that's gonna be 2. So we get 48. So I can just change the size. Ooh, I love IDESs. Yeah, we can't do reaction. If we do a reaction game, then some people with bad internet will have super latency and hard, and for other people, it's going to be slightly less hard. Can't do latency. Yeah, it's like, it depends on latency. Some people might get it before other people. So like, we'd have to like have like a 10-second delay before players can actually respond. Then people just have it stirred up. So yeah, it's reaction. We can't do reaction at all. So, the next step, once we get all of our players displayed, we still don't have it correct though. If mod I Okay, so now if there's like a bunch of contestants. I mean, Wordally, you get a theme, and you have to respond in one word. Okay, yep, we have the ability to have. Okay, it's only gonna go up to 20 players. Yeah. Poem game would be fun, but like one live chat has limit, and some people might try to go over the limit. That's actually not a giant problem. Actually, the biggest problem is like, it take way too long. Well, actually, I don't really think that matters either. I don't really know. The problem with it taking too long is that people click off your stream because nobody's doing anything, just waiting for people to respond with a poem. Animated text. 00. Show. And show text. So, gotta decorate this text to be, you know, not extremely hard to see. Do a random font. Nope, that would go out of the screen too much. Alright, no, I don't want to do handwriting. Sans serif. No, I've been using Bubbly, so I'm gonna use Bubbly. And then, now that we have a font, we'll set the text color to this nice blue. Set the outline color to that nice blue, but darker. And look at what we got. Look what we got. What do we have? We have text. Then we're gonna need a words list. Words list. Not a words list. We need a bunch of themes. Alright. So, Conflict, I'm gonna need your help making some themes. You know, like, for the word, for, like, how people need to respond. Because, like, you can't submit a random word and expect a good response. You know, we have to, like, have a theme. Gotta have lots of themes. Lots and 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 lots.
Thanks, Lancer.
And lots of themes. So, you're still here, right? Yes. Yeah, you are. So I'm gonna need some themes. What's a theme? The result of Taco Bell. Reason my wife left me. My favorite activity. I could do that, except the rules are going to be made by a contestant. One of the contestants is randomly selected to choose the rules. So, like, actually, they get to pick from 3 rules. So, like, the rules that the chooser can be given are, like, or, there's a rule that you can't say stuff with, except somebody knows the rule, and your goal is to figure out the person that knows the rule. That's social deduction. That'd take way too long, actually. Worst thing play on a live stream. Something you should not touch. The world's most hideous thing. The no-hit supervillain. New-hit supervillain. The number that will save your life. Favorite food. Man, this is a lot. I don't want to bore people of just writing things. Give me 100 themes for a single word response game. Yeah. Yep. No, like things like my. It's temporary. I swear it's temporary. I don't want to spend. Okay, actually all these suck. I'm gonna write them by myself. Worst way? Die. Oh. Hello. Anyways. Oh, showing my hello. Check. 1 month free. Okay, so go back to the Penguin server. So, I'm just gonna start off with 12. Who would you die for? I a good host? Nah. Who should Kate? Actually, what is something you would not serve? Actually, something you would not want to do. Would you though? Have you heard of the allegations? The allegations. He plays a sport. Yeah, he plays a sport. What kind of person would do that? Like, can't believe I just exposed the heck out of that guy. What? Sports? I mean, spirits? Or...
Nineteen, 18.
Dude,
Stop. Alexa, set timer 1 hour.
Second timer, 1 hour, starting now.
Okay, it's just 45. 45. When the game starts, oh yeah, we need to. Need to put all of this into one giant. That's actually the wrong conditional. Put all of this into one giant if. Oh wait, it's right there. Length of players is greater than 2. And we do length of new minus 2. That's not gonna work through text. I received game start. It starts off by generating all of the players. Welcome to. It still says welcome to my project, so we have to like get of themes.
Oh my goodness.
Yep. So let's just do the worst way to, and this thing will be hidden. Let's just hide. Honestly, you can. Because, like, this is kind of boring. I'm not really doing much. Thanks for helping me test. This is a child-friendly channel. You can't. I will not do that. Maybe I'll play it by myself, though. The only reason why the reason why I made this stream is to program a game for live streamers. I don't want to play Caddy's World. You know what? Oh, I won't do that either. Yeah, I don't.
Huh.
So, what I need to do is do the same thing I did for this.
This game's so amazing.
We do this, right?
Lowguns, here is your reminder. Big Bam Bam. Lowguns, here is your reminder. Big Bam Bam.
I don't even know what that reminder was for. If you heard the reminder. So now we need to make another game state. So where is it? Word deli. If it's exclamation R, then actually let's do number 1 of data because we're really. So when we start word deli, we're gonna delete all of the data and add something to data. Try guessing what I'm adding to data. Bam, bam. It's an array. Yeah, we're gonna add an array. So
The worst way to die. The reason my wife left me. The new hit supervillain.
okay, so like the game I'm making is a game where you join and play by sending commands in chat. So like it's made for You know, you're not in the lobby. How are you going? So yeah, that's that. Heck, you could do it right now, but I'm gonna click the stop button. So, I actually spent an hour connecting chat. So, do you want to see the script that does it? Took me an hour to get this. Yeah, using this. Oh, I did the thing! Yep. Using WebSockets and a script, I was able to connect the chat to Penguin Mod. It was a very tiring hour. But the problem with it is that now I have to program games for it. So, yeah. Now I'm programming the first game because, you know, this game wouldn't really be fun if you just joined a lobby. So, I'm pretty sure... Yeah, wait, where's the thing? Where's the code? Hold on. Let me get some code. Set game state to... No, we want this stuff, all of this stuff. No. Get this stuff. Move it to there. I'm gonna set it to where deli send. Because game state is like the global variable that tells message controller what to do. So now I just have to see if this, I think this works. It's, oh, you also have to get this time left to say to speak time left. Yeah, now we have a timer. So then once we are done with the timer, we should actually probably make it so eyes private, right? Yeah. So item play of data no players item I of players an item. Then we get that item of data. Well, actually, yeah, gonna go to the JSON. Then we do that. And we want to say that. Okay, I'm gonna try testing it if you're still here. So we can click say that. Yes. Exclamation mark join. Please say do exclamation mark join. Thank you. Not the acrylic O again. The only reason why I'm doing this stream is just so I can test the game. I'm not really doing it for views. Yeah, because you can't make one of these games if you're... What, was that an actual join attempt, or did it just not work? Is that... Chat, is that... Yep, that's the acrylic. Oh yeah, you can also do deco, and then like a number, and then you can change your decoration. Do you wanna know why? Space in flavors? What? I hope I don't sound stupid for not knowing. Let's definitely try space in flavors. Means sounds like. Okay, I'm just gonna click the. Okay, I'm just gonna click that play button. 4, 3, 2, 1. It didn't work. What? Where? What? Oh.
Alright, contestants. There's way too many
Never.
of you.
What?
So we're gonna need to play a
Oh.
super eliminator. So what I'm gonna need you to do is type in the chat !R followed by a random number from 1 to 1 million. The closest one will stay in the game, and the other people are gonna have to be so sad that they don't get to compete.
44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The number was 77,900. Our contestants are really jump conflict. What is something you would not want to do? 44, 43, 42, 41, 0, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 0, 30, 30.
So why did it say was something you don't want to do? Is that you don't want to do in a public space? Okay, cool. So my biggest problem right now is why did it count down like that? Why did it do that? Oh, because the clones are getting it. So, you know. There's the classic but useful is clone block. Put that in a not block. We do that. We do.
This is crazy.
We get that and bam. Now only the main guy says it. Problem is, it didn't really work. It didn't like get your responses. So let's see. Word Deli send. Word Deli send, right? Yeah, and then we go to message. Okay, it's the same thing. Still watching. So no, go back. Jeez. Where Deli send and then place I wanted data with the thing. Video Lab 69, that's always the best. And I well hold on. Wait a minute. It got oh, I'm still getting messages from people who who aren't in the actual game. That's not very gotta get in. And in there. It's also not you can't do. Actually, we don't want that. We want if in the newest message get 0, that's going to be then players contains, so random players who aren't in the game can't play. The same display name? I don't know. But I'm just hoping that that won't happen while we're here. Do you know what? So I'm just waiting for things to implode before everything. So, by the way, where is it? There it is. How did I not see that the first time I needed it? Yup. That's all I needed. Okay, there. Does the same thing, but one is a lot cleaner. So, anyways. Just That is my brother playing Deltarune. Those are the background sounds. So... gotta stop doing that. So yeah, if you're confused about the background sounds, that is Deltarune playing. Anyways. So I conflict from, well, can I get greedy allay? Yes. A Discord ping from who? I don't like that. Why did I don't know why I accepted. Oh, oops. I did the thing. Why did you send that to me? Okay, so now we know the thing. I think it's working. I think. So let's just check again if everything's working. I need to. Oh wait, things aren't working. Don't join actually. Where was it?
I swear, he opens the dark world.
So if we go up here, you know how like the game just like once, oh, I'm not clicking that. Well, actually, I'm gonna check it. I'm not clicking that. Ugh. Oh, those are some silly birds. I think those are some sort of bird. Man, am I being boring? I am being so boring right now. Probably the most boring person on the boring planet. Anyways. I want the game to start. Oh, those are some silly birds. Yeah. Okay, now let's get back on task. Let's see if the game can start with only 2 players now. Although I don't like this music, that's because I haven't really made.
Who would you die for? 44.
It started without me telling it to. Oh, that's probably why. Thanks, me, for figuring that out. This is at the end of it, right? Yes. Okay, now I know why that was happening. Are you glad that I figured that out? Thank you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The worst way to die. 44, 43, 42, 41, 40,
Please
39,
work.
38, 37,
Oh, look, it
36,
did!
35, 34, 33,
Hey.
32, 31,
Conflict.
30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20.
It's only the first
19,
word.
18,
You can only get one
17,
word.
16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11,
I'm not making
10,
this game for like
9, 8,
9-year-old
7,
streamers.
6,
I don't know.
5,
Maybe I will.
4,
Maybe it'll
3,
be an option.
2, 1, 0.
So yep, then the people would vote which one is better. Dying from eggs or dying from you? I'd rather die from I think dying from eggs is a lot worse. How do you even do that? Yeah. Yeah, I'll add voting. I'll add voting soon, okay? I'll add it. Welcome to Word Deli! In this interesting game, I will give you a prompt, and then you will have to respond to it, but you only get one word to respond. To respond, do exclamation R, then your word. Oh, a message? Okay. Why do you say grr so much? Are you like an angry monster waiting to escape? Welcome to Word. Okay, we gotta go. Anyways. So, after that, we want to add something to the text because right now it just says the theme, but we want to show more than the theme. Welcome to Welcome to Word Deli. And this that is a cat. I like cats. But you have angered me, and I am a cat. Welcome to No, it shouldn't show. It shouldn't oh yeah, I should probably add a little hide button. Just a little, yeah. Alright, welcome to Word Deli. In this interesting game, I will give you a prompt, and then you will have to respond to it, but you only get one word to respond. To respond, do exclamation R, then your word.
The reason my wife left me. 44, 43, 42.
Yep, that's gonna be an awesome theme. Yeah. Then we have to add another case for Word Deli. Vote. If the cases are vote. 2. And also, you don't have to be a contestant to vote. Just anyone can vote. Actually, it'll be an array. So, once we're done, you have to set game state to Word Deli. Vote. Because voting is the best. It's democracy. So then once you vote, once the game state is set to vote, we gotta add something to the data, and that's gonna be an array. But hold on, is there like an okay, so repeat length of players, place item 2 of data with item to data. Add 0. There. Then we're gonna put that in one of my favorite blocks all at once. Then yeah. After we do that, gonna go back to the message. I'm to a data.
This chapter's crazy.
So, in array this. Hold on. In array this. Set. Get that.
No, he doesn't.
-1. And then you want to get the one that we're actually adding to. So array this, then +1, and this will vote on who we love the most. Yippee, this is awesome. And we're even going to do a little bit of the switch block here, because I've grown to like the switch block. Switch game state. Actually, switch with default. Okay, still here, right? Yes. Say case word deli. For deli send. For deli send, and then word deli vote. Let's get I am to a data, and for word deli send. If else.
This chapter is so awesome.
Is that Chris?
Oh, yeah.
If this equals
Because I know there's blue Chris.
what was the word?
I'm sorry. Does Chris have the night on phone call? Is that what's happening?
Undefined.
Because that would be kind of hilarious.
Yep. Okay, so now let's try voting. Yay. Can finally do something again. This is probably the most... I did the wrong thing. Well, how did you join first? Whatever. Deco 7. Whoa, I hit the... now you're the sad, blue, depressed guy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Word Deli. In this interesting game, I will give you a prompt, and then you will have to respond to it. But you only get
Can't
one
change your
word
decoration.
To respond,
Actually-
do !R, then your word.
The reason my wife left me, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
Blah.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0.
Is he gonna do it?
Oh. Oh, I did it. Okay, the voting should be happening. Data. Yeah. So, can I do vote 1? Yep. I forgot that you could probably vote infinite times. Let's just call that a feature. Let's just call that a feature, man.
Carol.
A feature. You can vote infinite times. You know, it's just a normal feature. Yeah, you can just vote infinite times now. It's no biggie. No biggie. Yep. Yep. Ah, 'cause I don't feel like fixing it.
Logan, look at me. Logan.
Okay, I just had the world's worst incident. I'm so scared. Anyways, let's
He
continue.
doesn't want lip gloss.
Don't say that to the world, man.
Oh.
Why does it taste like licorice?
Why did you lick it?
I didn't lick it. Why does it smell like licorice?
Smells like sweet cherry to me.
Tell me. How do I do that? That's Discord. That's not OBS. How do I do that? Settings. How do I, like, not make it low quality? Don't say. Wait, display capture.
Oh, well, that just
Is that better at all? I don't think that would make it better. I don't know how to, like, if you, so, like, edit, setting, where? There we are. Settings.
Your 15-minute timer resumed on the dungeon with about 9 minutes and 20 seconds left.
Hold on, this thing wants me. Well, no, I can just turn off my display. So now you can't see what I'm doing, however. Nope. I have to, like, turn off everything. Goodbye. Nope. That's not working. I guess I can just, I mean, I can make it higher quality if you could just see a tiny portion of the screen. Whoa, what the heck? What?
Chris. Hey, Chris.
This is weird. Okay, well. What? I just said this is weird. Didn't say any bad words. What did I say? Did I say like buttocks or something without even realizing it? Plus, you're the one who said the C word.
I swear, I'm tired of right now.
Is this a better quality? Do you like this quality? Let's just try. I don't even know why the. Do a quick tiny change and boom, bada.
Oh, they're introducing light mechanics.
So I'm just gonna do that.
That's 3. Oh.
Join. Tell me, from a scale of 1 to 10, how have you rated your experience?
Alexa, pause.
15 minutes.
Okay, that was kind of a rude response. I don't really care. Click the button. Click the button. Oh, click. 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Word Deli. In this interesting game, I will give you a prompt, and then you will have to respond to it. But you only get 1 word to respond. To respond, do !R, then your word.
The worst thing to play on a live stream: 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, so it's still not showing. Oh, I need to swap these around. Okay, I've never added a voting timer. Should I add a voting timer, do you think? So, I just need to simply get item. Because if we get, data. Actually, hold on. Okay, so if we Actually, I already did this. I can just, steal it from here. Bam! So now I'm gonna reuse some very complicated code. Actually, we don't even need this, mostly. Look at new data. Okay. Oh, wait. Wait. Huh? Oh. Okay, so, okay, so this is gonna actually be pretty hard. So we sort them. Except this isn't even the way we want to sort them. We just set it to sending. So we sort them. What the heck? No, why don't you want to work? This is oh, there. Now we sort them. So now if equals change k by 1 each time, right? K. Okay. Gotta refresh. Still. So if K, not K. Item.
What?
In array. Item 2 of data, get K.
Jockington.
Okay, which will start off with 0. Right. What? Oh, wait, no, new. Sorry. We want to go by item. Items of new. I gotta stop being so boring. Item 1 of new, right? 1, yeah. If it equals item 1 of new, wait. Sorry. Item K. I'm to data. In array, item 2 data. We do want item 2 data. So it's not true. So we'd increment And so this is true. So, set eliminated. It's gonna be a new variable. Set eliminated to person that got 1 vote, which is gonna be in players. I am K of players. Actually, no, K plus 1 of players. Right. Yes, right. Right. So, once we have our final value of eliminated, delete. Wait, we just want this. Delete eliminated of players and eliminated of player deco. Okay, jeez. I guess if you play Roblox, it's not gonna be that boring. Yeah. Okay.
Eliminating really jump.
What, me? They just eliminate me? What the heck? Oh.
Eliminating Rick.
Sorry, Rick. Okay, now we... Okay, I think I did it. Okay. Kitty, great. Everybody but me isn't programmed. Yeah, Dad, I need to test Word Deli.
job, application, employment, profession, career, resume, interview, internship, labor, work, rent, taxes, outside, grass.
I sing no song of the long ago, of the warrior's dawn. So